1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. In the 1 is what I am going to step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Also, you can take more, several 1, 2, 3 in each step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. For example, using the salida to the side, the salida en Q. So we can combine the walking, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, the pause, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The melody in the song we guide into using your pace in this way, not to all the time step in every one. Sometimes you have a pause, changing weight, but also especially using the salida to the side, slow that down, take several counts into this position. This 1, 2, the slow in 3, and then you can close.
When you are just walking backwards on the 1 like this, I show it like this so you can see from the side. I am here with the leader, keeping my elbows in front of my body and my head and my chest and my hips aligned all the time. And I walk backwards like this, just like the leader is walking forward, always staying with my body together with the leader. So transferring my weight to my new standing leg and stepping, always here.
Te encontré no sé cómo ni cuándo, despierto.